At first glance, it feels impossible. Massive rocks sliding across a dry desert floor, leaving trails like ghostly signatures in the dust. For decades, no one could explain it. Some whispered about spirits, others about magnetic forces pulling from beneath. The truth? On rare icy nights, thin sheets of water freeze beneath the stones, and when the sun softens the ice, the rocks skate silently across the playa, carried by the wind. Come at dawn, when the air is sharp and still. That's when the playa glows silver and gold, and you'll often have the trails and the silence entirely to yourself. Here in the emptiest corner of Death Valley, even stones are not fixed in place. A quiet reminder that nothing, not even the heaviest among us, is beyond movement and change.